What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're just going to be fixing the seats on the Cobra. I'm just going to show you guys kind of how to fix when the suede kind of gets pilled. I'm just going to show you guys a quick little way to fix it. All right, so here's the driver's seat. So looks fairly good, fairly decent. But you can see down here, this just happened probably just the start of last year. All this is just starting to pill pretty bad, a little bit on the seat down here too. So I'm just going to show you guys kind of how you can kind of refinish the seats. So the reason why I'm doing this is I'm going to be selling the stock seats to get those Recaros I want to get. So we're just going to make these look good as new. All right, so first thing you guys are want to get is it's like a lint cutter, lint remover. Just a little, basically it's got a bunch of blades in here. And then we're also going to finish it up with some sandpaper. But this one's nice. It's got a status indicator. So we're just going to slowly get the high stuff off. So far it's doing a really good job, actually. Wow, that looks great already. That looks so much better already. And then when you're done, pull this out. You can see all that lint came right off. Alrighty, guys, just finished up. It looks absolutely phenomenal. They literally look brand new. So if your seats were a little bit worse, you could use like 1,000 grit little piece of sandpaper and then vacuum and then go at it with the lint roller cutter thing. But I am very impressed. The seats look pretty much brand new. Yeah, that was getting pretty bad before. Yeah. They look great now. So, if you guys are interested in a really nice set of Cobra seats, let me know. The passenger seat's literally perfect. The bolsters are perfect. It's like no one sat in it. Driver's side's pretty good. You know, the little bit of bolster wear, but you know, like here, everything's still intact, which is nice. Now that we clean that up, it looks much better. Alrighty, guys, so that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully it helped you out if your Cobra seats or any suede seats are kind of getting pilled and not looking so great anymore. I'll leave a link in the description to that thing. It's like 10 bucks. And I liked this one because it had the battery indicator, which is nice, but the main reason I bought it is it has more blades. I think it's got 6 blades on it, versus all the other ones had like 3 on them. And this one seemed to do a really nice job on the seats. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.